It's as
Indeed.
simple as. And Adnan, my last point is this. Adnan, look at this one. He did not stop the deception. Why he says, लेकिन खुदा की कुदरतों पे कुर्बान जाऊं कि जब मुबारक अहमद फोत हुआ साथ ही खुदा ताला ने ये इल्हाम किया इन्ना नुबश्शिरुका बिगुलामिन हलीम यंजिलु मंजिल मुबारक that we are going, he said that as soon as the death of Mubarak Ahmad happened, his God revealed to him that we give you a glad tidings of another son who will be in place of Mubarak Ahmad. जो बिमंजिला मुबारक Ahmad, he will be in place. And why? You know by why? और इसका कायम मकाम और शबी होगा. He will be just as a replica of Mubarak Ahmad. But the question is why? बस खुदा ने ना चाहा कि दुश्मन खुश हो. He said that God, his God does not want his enemies to be happy, so he's going to replace Mubarak Ahmad with another son. इसलिए इसने बामुजर्रद वफात मुबारक अहमद के एक दूसरे लड़के की बशारत दे दी. Says for this reason my God has given me the good news of another son just because of death of Mubarak. Why? ताकि ये समझा जाए कि मुबारक का बहुत नहीं हुआ. So it is as though as Mubarak did not die. Why? Before you comment, look at this one. Allahu Akbar. Why? Because Mubarak Ahmad died on 16th of September 1907. No child was born to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani after that. What about this one now?
Allahu Akbar. So not only Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani got proven false for disbelieving Allah's revelation allegedly, he alleges another revelation that now Mubarak Ahmad has died. Allah has told him about another child that will be born to him who will replace Mubarak Ahmad, as if Mubarak Ahmad hasn't died, and no child was born. No child, because this Mubarak Ahmad died in 1907, August or September?
September.
September 1907. And Mirza died in May 1908.